completion of the Liverpool property in Liverpool. Front of house, which is already fully painted, and some great work done on the entry in. Just coming through the front door. So as you'll see, all very clean and fresh. House has had a full repaint through. New curtains have been put up yesterday, and new lampshades, matching lampshades and matching curtains to the rear, which would be the dining area, and then the sort of lounge area with a lovely bay window. All new carpets, as you can see. Got a threshold carpet to wipe your feet on entry, which is really useful for a family, especially coming in off the street. So everything's been sort of painted right through, and there's the stair area up to the bedrooms. So what we'll do first of all, I'll just take you through, but I'll actually show you before I take you through to kitchen. We're really proud of this. That's the yard, which has got a great paint job redone to it, and also some shingle that has been added, and some great borders around the drain areas as well. Looks really smart. Could just see a little bistro table with a glass of wine or a coffee of a morning. A couple of plants to complement the yard area. So really looking really smart for a family. So just coming through now into the kitchen. Got a brand new kitchen that's been fitted. Some stunning shelves that can be used for pots and bits and bobs. Some flowers up on there at the moment. So what you've got is your set of drawers there, and a large cupboard just below, your area for your washing machine, and then your sink, which is centralised to your window, and a small little 300 cupboard on the end. And again, this has all been painted right throughout. Pipes that were visible previously have all been boxed in, all neat and tidy. There's brand new cooker in place with 2 units on either side, and plenty of opportunity for somebody to stamp their own authority, whether that be some complementary shelves that go above if they wish to do so. It's a brand new cooker, not been used. There's all the guarantees and bits and bobs just inside, so that's looking great. And then just coming through to the back area, we've got an area here that is which would be a perfect place for probably an American fridge, which would just sit nicely there. A bit of a pantry area, power there to allow for a fridge freezer, or some shelves to go above the fridge freezer if so required. Then moving into the bathroom, so we've got a shower area there, looking really good, and towel rail, his and hers hooks there for dressing gowns, etc. You've got your wash hand basin with a mirror above, toilet, and all the general necessities. Just inside the cupboard there, you've got the combi boiler, all in good working order. Just been recently serviced, and we're really proud of these tiles because these are slate effect tiles, which we've done a lot of work to, and they really complement what's been done in the bathroom. And then you've got the door area here, which would take you into the yard area. So I'm just going to take you back through the kitchen once again. Perfectly, enough space to get through there. Plenty of cupboards as well, and a stunning shelf there that's been put up by our coach Mark Ianson, and that one over there as well. So they'll be there forever. Okay, so just bringing you back through the dining lounge area, just taking you up the stairs. So again, all walls and areas, brand new carpets have obviously been fitted through the lounge area up through the stair area. I'm going to take you into bedroom 3, which is the box room, which I think is a great size box room. Plenty of room in here. Curtains, curtain poles, brand new lampshades, and sockets, double sockets down